Hello guys, this is Sarla Radhika. I'm a tarot card reader and numerologist and Reiki healer. Today I'm here with tarot card readings. So just normally guys, just have an intention. What do you wanna ask? What kind of message you wanna from universe? You guys have to be choose between pile number A, pile number B, and pile number C. So just for now, meditate for just 2 minutes and then make an intention. What do you want? Okay, after meditating you guys have to be choose between A, B, and C and take it how is resonate with your situation. So let's see what is pile number 1 have. Okay, for pile number A I'm seeing it could be a family issues right now which is going on in your family or with your children's also, like you need to make a clear decision about this situation. You have to find out the what should I do, what should I don't do. And I think situation is very difficult. It's like a holy in the dark. Whatever you're asking for, it is like your situation is very heavy right at the moment, and it is mainly I'm saying it is about your family life. It could be about your love life, it could be about your children's life also, but you have to make a clear decision. You need to do that. Let's see what the angel message are saying. So angels are saying visualize success, see yourself doing well in this situation and have faith in positive outcome as well as God works. So guys, here what I'm seeing for you, like angels are saying there is nothing about to worry for this situation because this situation has been already resolved by angels themselves. So you guys have to be just step by step take your steps and the situation will be resolved automatically because it is already covered by angels themselves. And if your question is about your career, like what should I do, what should I don't do, and how to do this, like आपके career में आ रहा है you guys are very much connected to crystals, like mother earth things. एंड आप जिस भी काम को आप राइट एट द मोमेंट आप कर रहे हो, it required lot of practice, like lot of strength also what I'm seeing for you. And you guys are very well speakers, maybe you could be musicians and related to musicians, or you could be teachers, something related to your throat chakra. Okay, so let's see what the angels are saying once more. Abundance, things look very good, have patience at this time, make long term plans. Yes, exactly, जैसा पहले भी आपकी सिचुएशन के लिए दिख रहा था कि आपको आपको वेट करने की ज़रूरत है, आपको ज़रूरत नहीं कि आप अभी इसके लिए कोई स्टेप्स लें. ओके, this situation require patience, a lot of patience right at the moment. You need to have patience guys. For what kind of situation you are asking for? Also prayer, I'm seeing like your solar plexus chakra is if your question is about health, because you guys are so many, it could be for anybody, but the message for somebody here is a prayer. This situation involves prayer. सो आपको थोड़ा टाइम खुद के लिए देना होगा, थोड़ा टाइम डिवाइन को देना ही पड़ेगा. एंड इफ़ यू विल प्रेयर then it will, your answers ultimately will come to you because your answer hides a prayer also. Let's see what the other messages for you. Believe and trust, take your time making this decision. Exactly, once again this message is same, बार बार आपके लिए सेम ही मैसेज आ रहा है, जस्ट लाइक दैट हैव पेशेंस एट दिस टाइम एंड टेक योर टाइम टू मेक दिस डिसीजन. दिस इज द एंजल्स आर सेइंग वन again and again. That's why I'm also repeating, like, take your time and take your time, have patience at this time, and angels will ultimately resolve your problem. So just don't worry. I'm seeing if you guys have any kind of throat chakra issues, so uh, you need to speak well before you say something. You need to think about it. And if you guys, your question is about your relationship, your love life, then your answer is keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type of expectation. Exactly what I'm seeing, that uh, it could be happen, like sometimes we have a lot of expectations from somebody, like ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. It doesn't mean that कि हमेशा जैसे हम चाहें वैसा ही हो. समटाइम इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड कि जैसे हम हैं तो सामने वाला हमारे अपोजिट है तो बेटर रहेगा काफ़ी सिचुएशंस में. अगर लाइक अगर आप इमोशंस है, दोनों इमोशनल होकर बैठ जाओगे तो इट विल नॉट बी ओके. सो कीप एन ओपन माइंड फॉर दैट. सिचुएशंस को हैवी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप ओपन माइंड रखिए. अगर जैसा आप सोच रहे हो कि जैसे कि आपका पार्टनर आप जैसा ही हो, जस्ट